welcome to math. My name is Ms. Ramirez, and today we are going to be learning something new. We're going to be learning about time. So what we will be doing is we will understand new time vocabulary. For our activity for today, we will illustrate and label 3 time vocabulary words. When we learn our new vocabulary words, this is important so that we can understand time. So y'all need to pay close attention to our new vocabulary words for today. So let's go ahead and see our vocabulary words. So the first, we're going to be learning about time. So our first one is going to be hour. So hour is the first number we see. Or if you see this picture, you see that the whole clock is covered. So that means that we always refer to the hour first. So you always say the number of the hour first when you're reading the clock. Go ahead and see what the hour hand looks like. So this is the hour hand. So it is in red right here. Oops, right over here. It is in red. So the smallest one is the hour hand. So what number is it pointing to? Pointing to 8, correct? So it is 8 o'clock because the hour hand is pointing to the 8. Good job. Then we have our minute hand. So our minute hand is going to be the long one. So the longer hand is the minute hand. So where is it pointing right now? To 3. So that means that the minutes are 15. And you will learn that later on. But right now, you just need to know that the longest one is the minute hand. And which one's the hour hand? Perfect, the shorter one. Okay, then we have half hour. So you see that half of the clock is red and half of it is white. So that means that is the half hour. So where is the hour hand? Right here. And it's in between 12 and 1. And where is the minute hand? At the 6, correct? So you see that if you put the minute hand on the 6, it divides the clock in half. So when you put the minute hand on the 6, that means that it's half hour. So that's in half an hour before 1. But again, you will learn this later on. And we are looking at clocks. Oops. So this is called a clock. What we are looking at right now and what we've been learning, so it is on a clock. So which one is the hour hand? Perfect, this little one. The blue one is the hour hand because it's shorter. And which one is the minute hand? Beautiful. Yes, it is this red, longer one. So the hour hand is the shortest one and the minute hand is the longest one. And then we have o'clock. So at the beginning I said 8 o'clock. So whenever you see the hour hand, that is the hour that it's currently at. So right now we have the number 6. That's right, we have the number 6. So whenever you see 2 zeros like this on a digital clock, that means that it's o'clock. So you always say the hour and then o'clock. So 6 o'clock when you see 2 zeros like this. Or if you see the minute hand on the 12, that is the same thing as o'clock. So right now it's 8 o'clock. or if you see the 2 zeros, 6 o'clock. Okay, so we just learned new vocabulary words, so let's go ahead and get started on our activity. So before you click on the activity, before you see the activity, you need your journal and your pencil. Okay, if you don't have that, press pause on the video and then go get your journal and your pencil. For today's assignment, we are going to be doing our time vocabulary. So the vocabulary words that we just learned, you're going to go ahead and draw 3 of them. And I'm going to show you how to set up your journal. So everyone should have a journal and a pencil. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and divide our page into 4 sections. So you're going to draw a line down the middle like this, and then you're going to draw another line on the opposite side. So you have 4 different sections like mine. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 different sections. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pick a vocabulary word from our new vocab that we just reviewed. So I'm going to go ahead and pick clock. So I'm going to go ahead and pick clock. So I'm going to look at clock and I'm going to write down the word clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and draw my clock. So I'm going to draw a circle, and I'm going to draw my clock. You can draw a clock as well, or you can draw another vocabulary word. And I'm just going to draw my clock. It says 8 o'clock. So I'm going to draw 8 o'clock. So make sure I have my little hand and my long hand. So my short and my long hand. So I have my clock in my picture. So what you're going to do is the vocabulary that we just reviewed, you're going to go ahead and pick 3 more vocabulary words to draw and to write their name. So you're going to write their name and you're going to draw a picture of it. Okay? So you're going to write 3 more. So each box needs to have a picture. Once you're finished with your vocabulary words and drawing them out, you're going to take a picture and upload it to Google Classroom for your teacher to see. Okay? I hope y'all enjoyed today's lesson on time.